Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have credentials and a client. Now start. First, open your SQL client, pick the connection profile, and test the connection. Once connected, set the correct schema so your queries target the right tables. Next, execute a simple verification query like select asterisk from table limit 10 to confirm results and permissions. Make sure to note the column names and types. They guide the next steps and prevent type errors when you build more complex queries. Once done verifying, you focus on shaping the data. You write select columns from table where conditions and add order by and limit to keep results manageable. When combining data, use explicit join clauses on key fields to avoid Cartesian mistakes and choose inner or left join based on required rows. If performance lags, parameterize queries, run explain to inspect plans, and consider temporary indexes or smaller test datasets. Make sure to commit to iterative testing. You finish by exporting and automating. First, export the cleaned result set to CSV or JSON with proper headers, or write to a data table for downstream use. Then encapsulate the logic into a stored procedure or scheduled job and add monitoring alerts so failures trigger investigation. Make sure to enforce least privilege access and use encrypted channels for any export. If something goes wrong, check connection errors, explain for slow plans, and validate permissions. Those three fix most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.